Urawa ingatiro ya mwandiki munene wa kiama KUDA Cleophas Malala nanditite makanira wita koti kuthitanga mukarieti wa kiama kiu MBARIRE na kiama bangi na untubo mwingata itine kiu. Malala akiari wite kiama KUDA kina siasa itebui nikibati ukaridwa nthike ndangire kana yoneka kiwe ingatiro kiamene kiu kiutate na watho.
Mwanka manto marakwenda na matheta make kuthikirwa na kuthirwa na njira ya weru. Cleophas Malala ariuganwa gwe mwandiki munene wa kiama KUDA ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya uro gutamburwa igatiba na nkinya watho bwa nthiguru ino.
Let there be no doubt that until the issue, or rather the issues I have elucidated above, are adjudicated upon and settled fairly, amicably, and conclusively by the relevant organs, I remain the lawful Secretary General of the UDA party. God bless UDA, God bless Kenya.
Gikaro nandiki bandheto ariuga gugatuika nkiama ya kuthiria magamba makindeni ndeni ya kiama KUDA itigite gamba riake bwega. Agatigira kuthikotia mwingi na gutandika mantu megie kiama KUDA kirikotia mwingi kenda gutigira kuthikirwa,
with potential to harm the image of the UDA party if exposed to the public through an open court. But I will not hesitate to take the next move if I don't get justice from the party's internal dispute and resolution committee.
Kiongera ariuga ngavana wa Embu MBARIRE na mubunge Kimani ICHUNGW'AH ibabatiri gutigirwa batire na uge kiri kiama KUDA kenda mantu marakwenda batikaombe kwithirwa bakithunganira namo na nkinya kumaragania.
I am demanding, therefore, that Mrs. Cecil MBARIRE and Mr. Kimani ICHUNGW'AH step aside as UDA party officials because their actions and intentions clearly portray them as having ill motive against the UDA party they purportedly serve and might interfere with this matter. That by the time I am done presenting all the remaining 17 issues before the IDRC, Mrs. Cecil MBARIRE and Mr. ICHUNGW'AH and their accomplices, who shall be known soon, will have no moral or political standing to hold any position, whether at the party or in public service.
Cleophas Malala tunyitwe giti gikina kunenkerwa Hassan Omar ariuga nandikite barua akiwandikithania vyama vya GICHUNGW'AH ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya kenda kurugamia mutaratara wa kumuruta bichi.
I have also written to the registrar of political parties who already instigated the process of my replacement and asked her to hold the replacement process pending the hearing and determination of my petition. This matter also attracted the attention of the UDA members who are here with me today, who I am informed also have written to the same registrar contesting my replacement. Thus, there are grounds for the registrar to stop the same under the Political Parties Act until this matter is dispensed within.
Kiripotera Wero TV mbitagwa Mathini Mogambi.